Hi everyone, it's Nicole Steele here of thejoyfulstamper.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am so excited to announce to you my Timeless Tropical online class. So you don't even have to register for it. This class is completely ready to ship. It's ready to go and be delivered straight to your house. And if you go to my site, thejoyfulstamper.com, I have a buy now button right on there because your class kit will include all the pre-cut cardstock and embellishment pieces to make 8 projects. So the projects you're going to make, we have a gift card holder, there's a Ghirardelli treat holder, and then you're going to make 2 cards, and you're going to make 2 each of these projects here. So I have the projects, your class kits will come cut, scored, embossed, whatever needs done, completely organized, packaged separately by kit, ready for you to assemble. The only thing it doesn't include is it does not include the Timeless Tropical stamp set and dies, and these are used in the projects. So these would need to be purchased separately. If you don't already own them, you can just get the cardstock kit. That's an option. I have a link to order this bundle at a 10% discount in my online store. I also have a list of the inks and adhesives that I used for my class kit projects so that you can either purchase what you don't have, or you can use what you do have. It's entirely up to you. But the basic class kit itself is all the supplies to make 8 projects, 2 each of 4 different styles, and I will email you the tutorial. It's got full color photographs in it, step-by-step instructions. I even put pictures of the templates I used in there and where I put the adhesive, so it's very detailed, very well laid out. I think you'll find it really easy to put these projects together. I do these classes in person each month, and over I've been told that my directions are very clear, I'm very precise, and it's very easy to understand what I'm saying. So, and as always though, if you ever have questions about any of my classes, you are welcome to email me, and I'm happy to answer them. I genuinely love sharing all of this with you. I'm passionate about it. So this Timeless Tropical online class kit, it is $25. You don't even need a PayPal account. You just hit the buy now button and you can use a credit card or a debit card, and they're ready to go. So I will have these shipped priority mail to you, so they'll have a tracking number associated with them. And you can always add on the adhesives, the ink pads, and the Timeless Tropical bundle if you do need that. So this is Nicole Steele again, and of The Joyful Stamper. You can head to my site, thejoyfulstamper.com, to find out more details and to get your Timeless Tropical class to go. So remember, shipping now, so you can have this in a few days. All right, thanks guys. Bye.